The Azure AI Fundamentals course is designed for anyone interested in learning about the types of solution artificial intelligence (AI) makes possible and the services on Microsoft Azure that you can use to create them. You don't need to have any experience of using Microsoft Azure before taking this course, but a basic level of familiarity with computer technology and the internet is assumed. Some of the concepts covered in the course require a basic understanding of mathematics, such as the ability to interpret charts. The course includes hands-on activities that involve working with data and running code, so a knowledge of fundamental programming principles will be helpful. Artificial intelligence, AI, empowers amazing new solutions and experiences, and Microsoft Azure provides easy-to-use services to help you get started. AI enables us to build amazing software that can improve healthcare, enable people to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experiences, and even save the planet. In this module, you'll learn about the kinds of solutions AI can make possible and considerations for responsible AI practices. Describe artificial intelligence workloads and considerations. Describe fundamental principles of machine learning on Azure. Describe features of computer vision workloads on Azure. Describe features of natural language processing, NLP, workloads on Azure. Describe features of generative AI workloads on Azure. Watch the following video to see some ways that AI can be used.
Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's here. It's the defining technology of our time. But it's human ingenuity that makes it so powerful. Jane started losing her vision when she was 12.
California Street.
She uses Seeing AI.
I crept down
the stairs and out the door,
which enables her to read and navigate her world. Microsoft AI is helping farmers adapt to climate change.
We can use technology to help feed the world without wrecking the planet.
Enabling wildlife conservation.
The ability to use AI really democratizes science. WildMe uses images from any source to help study endangered species.
And creating new ways for people with hearing loss to communicate.
I want the exact same information that my hearing friends have.
It's more than just imitating intelligence or sounding like a human. Microsoft AI is changing every industry, from healthcare.
And now you can see these finite details, the relationship with many structures,
to engineering and telecommunications.
We are using artificial intelligence to change the way we are relating to customers.
AI lets us put people first.
The Microsoft tools really enabled us to breathe digital life into an iconic brand persona.
The product that we make is not a thing in a box.
No.
Microsoft AI empowers others to create experiences and potential. This is just the beginning.
Artificial intelligence, it's just opened up this whole world.
The future we invent is a choice we make.
What is AI? Simply put, AI is software that imitates human behaviors and capabilities. Key workloads include machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, document intelligence, knowledge mining, generative AI, machine learning. This is often the foundation for an AI system and is the way we teach a computer model to make predictions and draw conclusions from data. Computer vision, capabilities within AI to interpret the world visually through cameras, video, and images. Natural language processing, capabilities within AI for a computer to interpret written or spoken language and respond in kind. Document intelligence, capabilities within AI that deal with managing, processing, and using high volumes of data found in forms and documents. Knowledge mining, capabilities within AI to extract information from large volumes of often unstructured data to create a searchable knowledge store. Generative AI, capabilities within AI that create original content in a variety of formats, including natural language, image, code, and more.